In collaboration with Candel, Inter, and Focus and Fusion Healthcare, ultrasound is advancing pain management. The finest portable ultrasound system delivers real-time imaging in challenging conditions. Ultrasound ensures accurate needle placement and drug diffusion, enhancing procedural safety and treatment effectiveness. For lumbosacral pain, ultrasound reduces spasms and improves outcomes. Ultrasound-Guided Botulinum toxin therapy offers non-invasive, long-lasting relief. In Bruxism, ultrasound identifies overactive jaw muscles for precise treatment. Through Candel's support, our solutions are raising treatment standards across Brazil and beyond. Visit www.focus-fusion.com to learn more.